So in tonight's video, we just want to take a minute and show you a few things we're working on. We're trying to catch up on some things in the shop after the holidays. We're back to working on the MPM, finishing up the engine, trying to get it stuck back in the car. We run into a few hiccups on it, but we'll work through it. Steven's working very hard on Carmen, trying to get it ready, get it in prime. Try to get some color back on it here in the next couple of weeks. 71 Vert has been back in the shop having a new top put on. They sandblasted and painted the top frame, and the new top should be on in the next couple of days. Also, we got a new addition here at Riverbank Customs, 74 regular Beetle. We're going to call this thing Stripes. So we was able to get it somewhat cranked and running. You'll see that later on in this video. I'm going to be working on that project. That belongs to me, and I'm going to be kind of playing with it over the summer, just seeing how much fun we can have with it. So in this part of the video, you see Alex prepping the engine studs and getting the engine ready to go back into the Dune buggy. We want to make sure these studs, the threads are clean and not boogered up, and we want to make sure we got the right hardware. We've run into other issues with the flywheel and we worked through that. And now we're just getting ready to put it back in the car. This thing's tough getting it up under the fiberglass body, a real compact kind of area, but we'll get through that also. Alright, so what we found out, 40 horse flywheel, 6-volt flywheel, would not interchange with the 12-volt flywheel. Not real sure about that, not real sure of the reasons why, but the 12-volt flywheels I had were an O-ring type flywheel. They would not go on this 40 horse crankshaft. I'm sure some of the experts and the older hands, they know exactly what I'm talking about. But, we tried 2 or 3 different flywheels and it just wouldn't go, so I put the 6-volt flywheel back on it and it bolts right up. So in order to move forward, the 6-volt flywheel looked brand new, everything was clean, no hot spots. Clutch and pressure plate both looked good. So we put all that back on. Now we're just going to stick the engine in the car.
Right here, Chris.
What do you need?
13.
Easy. Easy. Whoop. Get back up just a little bit. Bring it up. Come on up. Alright, hold up right there. What we're going to have to do is got to go in there like this. This ain't going to be easy.
What if we put a jack in the front of it to raise the front?
Fall off the wheel.
Come down a little more. Slow it some more.
No, see, it's fixing to hit right here. It's got to go up under there. Alright, so I'm going to take just a minute out here on a little road trip with Steven. Looking at the latest edition of Riverbank Customs. 24-foot enclosed trailer. Gonna be perfect for hauling a little boat, hauling Ed 67. Steven was able to purchase this a couple weeks back. No, you good. Just show you a little bit of the inside. We're gonna clean it out, do some paint work on it. Just cleaned it up real good. Already got onboard air conditioner. wired for a generator. Gonna be super cool. Super cool. Again, just want to show you. Calm before the storm. It's a beautiful day here on the lake. Not a lot of traffic out today, but today'd be a great day to be crappie fishing.
Sunday afternoon, got out here stripping Carmen down some more. I got this front balance, started working on those louvers there. Got that metal strip down, did a little metal finishing on that. It's looking good. Come up around where the front deck lid goes. What we had to do this week, today, was get the driver's door, this rear quarter panel, got that down, started doing some metal finishing on that. It's turning out good. Went to Chattanooga, World of Wheels. We saw some good looking cars. Long's had a big gangster there. Metamorphosis was there, man, with their giveaway car. Hey, that's super nice. Dave Kendig was there doing some autographs, but it got me motivated to get back and start stripping down on Carmen. So she's looking good. Can't wait to start putting some filler on there, get this thing in prime. She'll take on a good look. The only thing I had left to do, I got this quarter in this door done the other day. The only thing I had left to do was this cow panel here. You can see we got that stripped down, got those vents cleaned out real good. Come up around these windshield motors. Metal finish is real good there. So we're gonna dolly on some dents and start maybe use a little bit of body filler, and hopefully next time you see this thing, it'll have a little primer on it.
So we got another project, another one coming in the shop. Alex and Steven making sure we get it tied down real good. Nice car here. One of the better Volkswagens I've ever bought. Steven, you got it tied down good? Well, we're bringing another one home. Found this one on Facebook Marketplace. Coming out of Heffa. 74 model regular Beetle. Pretty nice car. Needs floor pans, but no step for a stepper. Driving stripes this morning. Turn the wheels to your right. A little bit more. All right, straighten them up. All right, so we're gonna give stripes a bath this morning before we put it away. I just kind of want to evaluate it, see what it looks like, see if we make it a shiny nickel. Alex says it's gonna be all right. Says it's a nice car.
She's talking.
Hit it. Hit it. Turn the switch off.
Off?
Yeah, she'll run.
Yeah, I bet that time is off a little bit.
Yeah, carburetor's all stopped up. Yeah. Hang on, we'll do it one more time. But it did, I mean, I can tell you right there the motor run.
Yeah, it sounds good. That sounded really good.
It didn't have no clunks and knocks and beats and bangs.
I think it sounds good.